Hey, what's up everybody? Alright, so this is my 22R truck, and this is my cold start of it. I'm going to be doing a cold start after a new head gasket, a new head, and new everything else besides the block. And this is the first initial start. So what I'm doing here is I'm just kind of re-familiarizing myself with the truck. My second carburetor I've ever had, and so I'm just kind of refamiliarizing myself with it after not touching it for about 6 weeks. So yeah, none of these adjustments I'm doing are permanent adjustments. I'm just fiddling around, screwing around. The next clip that we're going into, you'll see that the truck's doing a lot better. What's up, YouTube? I'm on my maiden voyage with the rebuilt 22R engine, new head. To adjust the timing and probably reset the carb a little bit too. Right now I'm just burning off all that extra oil and excess fluids that I spilt and dribbled all over. They're picking cherries. All right, y'all, I'm gonna cut it out right here. A little busy corner. What's up, YouTube? All right, so got the truck running. Yes, I do. Everything's good to go. Only one little weird thing is when it's running, that wire right there is putting out 14.5 volts off the ignition there. That's a black wire too. And so yeah, just kind of wondering where that goes. And everything's working. Everything's working. The tach's working, all the gauges are working, everything's working. So really question, why is that putting out 14.5 volts and I'm not having any problems? So since editing the little bits you guys have seen in this video, I have tuned it up and done some more driving, and this thing is doing really good. I think I just need to make a couple more adjustments, a couple more test runs out, and then I'll have it perfect. It's doing really good up the big steep hills, where before it would kind of just, it wouldn't gain anymore. It would kind of reach a certain point and then wouldn't go anymore. But now it just kind of, it just keeps going. You know, the speed will climb. It doesn't just top out, and then it kind of, I'll crest the hill and then I'll finally gain speed, you know? So pretty happy with things. I got oversized valves, got a cam, yeah, bada bing bada boom. I'll see you guys later. Deuces. Oh, and I hope to bring you guys some more tool videos. I don't like making tool videos and stuff when my truck's down. Like, my whole life just crumbles when the truck's not going. It's just like, the truck's not going. It's like, even though there's that, I'd just rather have this, you know? This is way better than that. Even though that's fun to get around town and stuff, this is what I've wanted since first grade. Alright? And if you gotta have it, you gotta have it, you know? It doesn't matter how old you are now and how old you were when you wanted it. So, as long as you got it, you got it. Alright? Deuces.